Professor Pee-wee here from Einstein's Entertainers with another science experiment that you guys can do at home. Now today, we're going to teach you a little magic trick. Now what I want you to do is I want you guys to watch this teaspoon, okay, ready? And I'm going to make myself a cup of tea, ready? Keep watching that teaspoon. Woo! Did you see that? So, what we're going to do today is we're going to teach you guys at home how to do this trick out of stuff that you can find around the house. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some water, a sugar cube, a teaspoon, a mug, and this little device. Now this is called a Bulldog Clip. Now your parents might have these if they've got a desk at home. You never know, you might be able to find it in their drawers or something if you ask them. So what I'm going to do is it's also really crucial that the mug and the Bulldog Clip aren't wet. So you need to get them really, really dry. So I'm just going to clean this one off from our last little experiment. And really pull that all out. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get your sugar cube and you're going to need to really gently put it inside the Bulldog Clip. And make sure that the silver bits are facing towards the back of it, and then carefully place it inside your mug, and then get your teaspoon and place your teaspoon onto the silver bits, okay? And then what you do is you want to grab your water. Now I'm using the kettle, and inside the kettle there's just normal water. I'm just doing it so it makes it look like I'm having a cup of tea. But you guys can just use normal water, or if you wanted to, you could get a parent to help you. Ready? And then you get someone to come over, like your brother or sister, and then what you do is you pour the water in, ready, and all watching, and you say, I'm just going to have a cup of tea, and you place it in, and sometimes it gives people a real fright. But guys, if you did like that experiment, please do like and subscribe, and do tell others about these, because you want as many people to get involved with these experiments as possible. But guys, don't forget to keep safe and to wash your hands. See you soon!